So let's say this is the program we want. We've live played it. Everything looks great. We got the groups down. What you do is you go to configuration, make sure you're connected to iPlayer, and what you want to do is very important. Is you go here, rename the show. Most people forget to rename the show, and then you'll just keep
where
putting.
Did you go?
So it's bottom left, where it says Show 1.
Okay.
And you right click on it.
Okay.
Oh no, sorry, you left click on it, and then you go to rename show. If you forget that, what's going to happen is you have your show, and it's automatically called Show 1. Mm-hmm. And then if someone else forgets to do it, they're just going to override each other, and then you can lose your program.
Okay.
So make sure you name it something unique. So just call this Germany test, or Germany. I guess you can't do too many letters. Hit OK. So you see that the name's changed up here. Okay. So now to put a file on the project, it's pretty simple. You click the name. And then you hit the little arrow, and it's going to write it, and it's going to send it over. And you can see now it's on the show.
Okay.
However, just because it's on there doesn't mean, it means you can find it and you can technically play it. But the easiest thing to do is you want to set a trigger. So this makes it a lot easier to set up. So what you do is you go to trigger, you double click the trigger. That's the weird thing. You don't right click or anything. You double click the trigger, and then you select rendered show, Germany. Okay, so this is trigger run 1, rendered show, Germany. And then what you do is you click it again, hit the little arrow, moves it over. You can disconnect and it'll work without the computer, and you're done. Okay. That's everything. Now another thing, if you want to get super kind of advanced, if you double click, technically right now it's set to repeat. That means once trigger 1 is over, it'll repeat trigger 1 all the time. What we did at where do we go? At Jefferson, we changed this to jump to trigger, and we changed it to trigger 2.
Oh, I see.
That means it'll run through one program then the other program if you want. Another thing is you can build the fade to black in here, but I know people are going to forget anyway, so I always tell them just put it down there. Yeah.